How many people's hair have you dyed?
None.
Get me right.
Okay.
Yo, you fired, yo. Yeah, I had to get y'all a better view. Y'all was back there. Bro. Clemons. So I've only dyed my hair 2 times. This would be the 3rd time. I always dye my hair summertime. First summer was honey blonde. Y'all can check out the video. And then last summer, which what it is now, I did the light brown. That was Revlon, but the Revlon light brown is in my hair now, and we're going with cream nature.
Should I just leave the scrunchies on you? Because your roots are going to be out. I'm saying like, that way I won't dye your roots. I won't touch them.
You can do that. I mean, this is like, you know, this is a far distance. You know
I'll get it.
Yeah.
I'll just go around it.
Yeah. So you want to dye everything that's on top of the scrunchie right now?
Should I do that? And in 15 minutes get everything?
That's basically like half. Yeah, you can do that. Like,
is that what you wanted to?
Yeah, that's fine.
Or
I thought it would be easier for you to like take out the section that you're dyeing.
Yeah, I could do that.
Yeah. It's only one
Did
bottle.
you cut it already?
You can't be too generous. That's like, the shit will be going and you'll be like halfway. So I'm saying you gotta spread it out. You can always go back and like add more. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Don't be spilling it like me. Yeah.
Go like that. Like put your finger over it.
Deandre, it's already mixed.
Yo.
Dang, Deandre.
What?
You had a little.
Not a lot. It's really, the curls just got to a disagreement.
I didn't mean to. For the roots, yeah. It's like half the bottle left.
This isn't bleach though, so it doesn't.
There we go.
Yeah, get me right with the Supreme shower cap. Shout out to my boy Chris if you watching this. Let me know if y'all want to see more Supreme video. But yeah, so we set our 15-minute timer. We'll catch you guys up.
You could do it on here. You can't see it?
Just hold it like back up.
Okay.
Alright. So we just rinsed it out. We're about to go in with the conditioner.
This is for the last section.
Yo, that smells mad good. So that's it, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Alright. Alright, y'all. So this is what it look like. Boom. What color is this? How much? That was like 45 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Medium.
Medium or
That's what it
brown.
looks like.
7.3.
7.3. 7.3 medium warm brown. So y'all could book her. Comment down below if you want your hair dyed. What we about to do? It doesn't matter because
There's gonna be another video.
Yo, alright, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Check out the previous hair videos. There'll be a playlist in the eye. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.